Hey Tech Vibe fam, imagine a drone that doesn't just fly, but also lives on the water. A drone you can toss into a lake, let it float, take off, follow you, and film you automatically while you surf, kayak, swim, or paddleboard. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're diving into the brand new HOVERair Aqua, the world's first fully waterproof, water-native self-flying camera drone, and trust me, this thing might change how you film your adventures forever. Now picture this. You're out on a peaceful lake at sunrise. No bulky camera gear, no friend holding your phone, no complicated drones to set up. You simply place Aqua on the water, press a button, and instantly you have a flying camera tracking you in smooth cinematic 4K. It follows your movements, frames your shots, and captures moments you could never film alone. That's the magic HOVERair Aqua is promising. So what makes this drone so special? Let's break it down. First, and the biggest headline, this drone is fully waterproof and buoyant. Not splash-proof, not water-resistant, but truly built for the water. It can land directly on the surface, float naturally, and even self-right if a wave flips it. Most drones freak out when they see a drop of water. Aqua? It was designed to live in it. And here's something US viewers are going to love. Aqua weighs under 249 grams. That means, in most recreational cases, you don't have to deal with FAA registration. No paperwork. No stress. You just fly. Now let's talk camera performance. Aqua shoots 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, which is perfect for slow-motion action shots. It's built with a large image sensor and a special lens optimized for bright outdoor environments, reflections, and water glare. Whether you're recording vibrant beach moments or rapid motion sports, the footage looks surprisingly stable and crisp for such a compact device. But the real magic lies in its autonomous shooting abilities. Instead of using a complicated controller, Aqua pairs with a small wearable remote that acts almost like a digital tether. It tells the drone where you are and how it should behave. So if you're paddleboarding or surfing, Aqua follows you automatically, keeps you in the frame, orbits around you, or hovers at a distance for those wide cinematic shots. You don't have to pilot anything, you just enjoy the moment while the drone does the work. Next, practicality. Aqua includes internal storage, so you don't need SD cards. It also has a bright AMOLED display for quick previews and settings. That means you don't need to pull out a phone on a wet beach or while floating in the ocean. Everything is done directly on the drone in a clean, simple way. Performance-wise, this drone is no slouch either. It can hit speeds up to around 30+ miles per hour, and it can handle windy beach conditions far better than most sub-250G drones. If you're filming fast action, jet skis, wakeboarding, cliff dives, Aqua can keep up. Now let's talk real-world usability, the pros and the things to keep in mind. Where Aqua absolutely shines. Water sports. Surfing, wakeboarding, paddleboarding, the drone's tracking and waterproof build make it ideal. Travel adventures. Imagine strolling along a shoreline with an auto-tracking flying camera capturing cinematic shots on its own. Solo creators. No need for a second shooter or to hand your phone to a stranger. Social content. Slow motion splashes, beach runs, lake dives. This drone was made for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok moments. If you create water-based content or simply love being near the ocean or lakes, Aqua opens up filming angles that were almost impossible before unless you had a professional crew. But there are a few things to be aware of. Aqua is designed to float, not dive underwater. It can tilt its camera downward from the surface for snorkel-style shots, but it won't follow you beneath the water. Flight times are around 20 to 25 minutes per battery. Enough for short sessions, but not long filming days unless you carry spares. After saltwater sessions, rinsing is recommended to protect the hardware. While its autonomous tracking is impressive, highly unpredictable movement, like chaotic waves or sudden obstacles, still require caution. And while this drone looks cinematic, it's not meant to compete with heavy professional drones that carry massive lenses or full-size cameras. Its superpower is convenience, portability, and water freedom. So who is TS drone actually for? If you're a surfer, kayaker, paddleboarder, beach traveler, boater, vlogger, or simply someone who wants effortless cinematic footage around water, Aqua might be one of the most exciting pieces of gear released in years. If you need long flight times, professional rig capabilities, or deep underwater filming, this may not be the tool you're looking for. As for pricing, Aqua is being launched at a premium but competitive point for a specialty drone. For many creators, it's a worthwhile investment considering how unique the footage can be. For others, it might feel like a luxury until they see more real-world results. So is HOVERAir Aqua just hype, or a true revolution for water-based content creators? Honestly, it looks like both. The concept is revolutionary. The execution seems promising. And the possibilities, especially for solo adventurers, are enormous. If it performs in the real world the way early demos suggest, this could be one of the most fun, creator-friendly drones we've ever seen. And trust me, once units start shipping and early testers get their hands on it, I'll be bringing you real footage, performance tests, and the full breakdown right here on Tech Vibe. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me where you would take the Aqua first, and make sure you're subscribed, because we've got more next-gen tech coming your way that you do not want to miss. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep it Tech Vibe.